Check it out, guys. We now have a version 3 for the EV Hover. If you have not seen version 2 of this product, the purpose is to keep your charging cord off the ground in your garage walkway by keeping it organized above you. Made 100% in the USA, the EV Hover is now 9.5 feet long, extendable 180-degree swivel arm that it folds away against the wall. My name is Evan, and if you're new here, welcome. This elevated charging arm improves garage safety, organization, and also helps out with space efficiency. Not only does this work for your Tesla, but also any electric vehicle with various charging adapters. Made from lightweight aluminum, it can support all EV charging cords, and the entire unit can be mounted onto drywall into a stud, or even brick, stone, and concrete. Installing this took me only 15 minutes. Looking at the packaging, it's all pretty straightforward. If you've ever installed a TV mount in your home, it's a pretty similar process. Comparing this to the second generation kit, the new EV Hover is now 9.5 feet long to reach all the way across another vehicle for the charging port. There's no longer any zip ties to hold the cord over the arm, but rather now there's velcro straps that can be easily removed and adjusted should you need to take down the cord. If you do not need the arm to be quite 9.5 feet long, you can certainly just purchase the shorter EV Hover that is 6.5 feet long. Getting right into the install, we first want to unscrew these two bottom screws so the back plate can be removed like so. Use a stud finder in your ideal charging location and find the correct height for the back plate to be installed. I used one of the screws to push a small hole into the drywall to mark my spot through the back plate. There are a total of 4 holes to mark with this plate. Drill the 4 holes using a bit slightly smaller than the included screws. After the holes are present and you know there's a stud behind the drywall, take the faceplate and ensure the correct orientation. Install one screw and use the included level to see if you need to make any small adjustments. After these 4 screws are installed, take your EV Hover arm and install it at a slight angle upward, ensuring the plates align with each other and that the arm is connected into the 2 holes at the top of the 2 screws. Install the 2 screws at the bottom, ensuring they are nice and tight. Fully extend the charging arm outward and take your cable hook as it slides right onto the arm. Take the included 4 screws and turn them into place over the hook attachment. Use the included velcro straps to place the charging cord over the arm, then just hang the end of your charging cord on the hook and fold up the arms against the wall. And that's all for the installation. As you can see, it's a big improvement now that it's elevated above me rather than getting all dirty on the ground, not to mention the trip hazard I had earlier. Overall, version 3 had brought the best of both worlds for people who like the longer and shorter arms depending on their garage setup. The velcro straps make it easier to adjust the cord on the arm and also to remove it quickly without having to cut zip ties. What do you think? Let me know in the comments below. If you haven't noticed, I also have this mobile charger cap protector. Should I accidentally drop the charger, the damage should be minimal, especially if it were to hit my car. I'll have links below this video should you be interested in getting one for yourself, along with the EV Hover kit. They are also offering all my subscribers a coupon to use at checkout to save some extra money. To see even more accessories from every video I've created, be sure to check out my new website. Everything you want to know about Tesla with the latest accessories can now be found in one place. My name is Evan. Until the next video, stay safe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.